Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Colleen, and I'm here on this fabulous Freaky Friday to read you another fabulous book. But before I do that, I just want to say how much I continue to miss all of you, and I know how hard it is to be inside every day, not doing our normal things like going to school, playing with our friends. But as you know, there's a bad bug going around, and some people have gotten sick, and the doctors and nurses are working so hard to get rid of the bug so that we can all get back to our regular lives. So until then, I'll just keep on reading the stories. All right, today's book is an Elephant and Piggy book, and it's called Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Good heavens, let's see. Oh, wow. Look at this elephant sneezing all over the place. Wow. Here we go. Pigs make me sneeze.
Gerald! What do you want to do today?
I want,
Yes?
uh,
A what?
uh,
A ball? A swim? A hat?
achoo! Sorry.
Are you okay?
I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop sneezing. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo!
What if you tried to sneeze more softly?
Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. Oh.
But Gerald,
No, do not speak. It is too late. Ah! Jew, goodbye.
Gerald? Huh? Are you okay, Gerald?
No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Here.
Let me take your temperature. Put this thermometer in your mouth.
Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too.
I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze.
What?
I think you have a cold.
A cold?
You are sick.
Oh, I am sick! I'm sick! Oh, thank you, doctor, thank you! Piggy!
for you.
The end. Oh, that's such a funny book. Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes with another story. See you soon.